So if you've been present on my channel and been here along my journey with the Honda NX500, you know I'm building this bike out for off-roading. My goal is to really make it a mini Africa Twin, or that bike we all want Honda to build for us, right? I've done a lot so far and I got a whole lot coming on this bike, but the video today, this mod we're gonna be doing today, is one that I am so excited about, and I think it's really gonna kind of pull that vision that I have for this bike together here. So what we're going to be installing today and taking a look at are the VMX tubeless spoked wheels on the Honda NX500. Why would we get these? Number one, we're running cast wheels on this bike, right? And with me doing some off-road and we got some rocks, boulders and stuff like that, it's always in the back of my mind that, man, what if I crack one of those rims or something like that, you know? So now going tubeless, getting a little bit more flex and everything. And most importantly, I mean, come on, these things are gonna look absolutely beautiful on this bike. It's gonna definitely pull out that Africa Twin type vibe. You see I got the gold bars up there as well. That'll be in the mod video. But I think this is really gonna pull the visuals of the bike together, most importantly, right? But it's also gonna give us that off-road peace of mind. The only thing I'm not excited about is install them, because number one, I gotta take off and put on 2 tires, but you also have to swap all the stuff over, the brake discs and everything onto these. So this is gonna be an all-day project for me. The other thing that is not exciting or fun about this mod is these are not cheap. I believe I paid right at $1,400 after shipping and all for these. So it's not a cheap mod, but again, I think it's gonna be beneficial. I know you all are probably sick of us influencers recommending the Rabaconda, and I know myself, every time I change tires, which I love testing tires, so I change them quite often, I've always plugged in the Rabaconda. But this is no sponsor plug. I mean, I still don't have an affiliate link with Rabaconda. As much as I've recommended, I ought to contact them and ask for one though. But seriously, no fluff. I highly recommend this and swear by this product. Like, I changed so many tires, and this is the hardest process of this mod that I'm doing right here, right? And we all love trying different tires. And I know it's not cheap. What is it, around $500, maybe a little bit higher? But when you go off and pay for some tire changes at a shop, you're paying at least $100, bare minimum, if not more, you know what I mean? It's going to pay for itself, and it is so incredibly easy. That was just stupid easy, like unbelievably easy. Like, I don't even use my tire changing lube anymore. All I do is spray it down with soapy water. It's so easy. My gosh, I love this thing. So now let's go and take these wheels for a test ride. We're gonna go down this road, and if I remember correctly, this road's a little dicier, some rocks and washouts and stuff, and just talk about these wheels on the NX. All right, so I'm not sure how well the camera's picking any of this up, but it is very rocky here. And this is where most people would say, okay, this is where you need spoked wheels. You don't want to do off-roading like this with cast wheels. There's so many rocks, you're gonna dent one or bend one or crack one. Yeah, whew, caught that to the face there. Now, I think the majority of us probably won't be doing stuff like this on our NX. Might be doing a fire service road or something, and I honestly think the stock wheels will be perfectly fine for that. But for me up here in North Georgia, this kind of stuff is quite frequent, if not even rockier. I go up riding through Tennessee and such, you know, and yes, you can dent a spoked wheel as well, but again, you got a little bit of flex, so you got a little bit of give, and you really don't have to worry as much. That's kind of the main thing with like the stock wheels. You're kind of like, oh shoot, let me not go over that. I don't want to bust the wheel. Ooh, I'm trying not to stay close to the edge here because it's a little soggy and I don't want to go over the edge. But anyways, that's kind of the thing. Again, it's that peace of mind. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, I can go there, I can do that. You're kind of weeding out the variables
You know what I mean? The replacement wheels for the NX, if you wanted some stock ones, I think you're about the same price as this VMX, $1,500 for both wheels. So again, you can look at it that way, like, oh, I'll just get some wheels whenever I damage the other ones. Sure, that's a good way to look at it. But now, I got a spare set of wheels inside my garage now. Now, one of the biggest things that might, you know, steer you away from getting these on the NX is it already has tubeless wheels. The NX already has tubeless wheels, so you're not getting that real big benefit out of it. Now, if you're on, like, say, a Transalp or some other bike that has tubed wheels, going to something like this and getting the advantage of tubeless is pretty darn nice. Like, that is game changing. That would be a selling point instantly. So again, if I had a Transalp, this would be like a no-brainer for sure. But again, on the NX, you're already running tubeless. The biggest thing is it being cast. I don't know. They look cool. You can get them in black as well. And I'll be honest with you, I ain't gonna lie to you. My main point of getting them was they looked cool. Secondly, again, that worry factor. I like eliminating issues that I got to worry about when I'm off-road. And having spoked wheels eliminates that one bit. Lets you kind of just ride and focus on your ride where you don't have to focus on the bike. That's a nice little bonus right there. But again, the biggest bonus would be going tubeless, and the NX is already tubeless, so I don't know, that's kind of a wash. Unfortunately, it's a very expensive mod, but I think it's a great mod. Like, it really is. Like, what a looker. Can we just sit here and stare at it for a second? What a beauty. Too bad I didn't bring a chair and some snacks. I can just sit here and stare at it for a couple hours. Gosh, what a looker.